Welcome back to today's video then with Tech with Mark, and today we're going to be looking at conditional formatting within Excel. What this is going to do is it's going to give you a nice clear picture of where things are potentially going right and where things are going wrong within your data, nice and easy with just a few clicks. You can see that on the screen we have two different columns. We have the months from January to December, and we have the sales that we made within them. If we want to change this then so that we can see this nice and easy and see how the data is, we first click up at the top, selecting all the data that we have. We move up to the conditional formatting, and then we can see within conditional formatting there's loads of different things that we can select, whether that's data bars, colour scenes or anything like that. We're going to be working on colour scenes today, and you can see that within them there's loads of different options that Excel will automatically have there ready for you so that you can change it however you want to do. The one that we're going to be working on today is the green, yellow and red. If you click into that, you can see that Excel automatically changes all the data into the different colours that is selected there. So for the mid kind of areas you have these yellows and kind of orangey colours for the 45s and 55s. For the higher ends where it's doing well, we have like the 100s and the 90s and stuff where it's all green. And then for the lower ends you can see that it makes it a little bit darker down at the 12s and 23s and so on and so on. If at any point within this you want to change these colours, I normally click into one of the selected cells, we click back up into conditional formatting, and then we can click onto the manage rules down at the bottom here. Within this manage rules then, what we can do is we can click to edit the rule. As you can see, you can get a lot of different options here, and within this you can change this back to 2 colour or data bar sets and so on and so on, but just for the purposes of this we're going to stick with the 3 colour scale that we currently have. You can see you can change the colours down here, and I like to change this for a bit of a darker red so it stands out a little bit more, and then same for the green, kind of nice fluorescent green. We can click OK and then click apply and OK, and you can see that on there it's conditionally formatted all the different cells there to make them either brighter or darker, making them stand out more when we need them to. If at any point that you need to get rid of this, okay, same again, we just can click into one of the cells, we can come up to conditional formatting, and we can come down to clear rules. You can see that you can clear the rules for the selected cells if you have just a specific area that you want to remove, or if you want to just remove it for the whole sheet like we would here, we would just click to remove it for the whole sheet. That will revert that back to the kind of original that we had, and then at least everything's kind of back in play, and if you needed it to go back for whatever reason. Hopefully that helps today guys, and any questions that you have leave down in the comments below and I'll hopefully try to get back to you and we'll work that out. But thanks again, hopefully this helps and hope to see you soon.